Until the Ajna Chakra is awakened, we are often incapable of understanding ourselves. We are unable to control the qualities and emotions that rise from the lower centers, or find an explanation for the stirrings of emotions, thoughts, and dreams that suddenly surface in our mind. Why do we often feel uncertain and intimidated? Because we have no control over our inner functions and wrongly identify with the constantly changing emotions and thoughts. In reality, we are neither body nor psyche. The body, mind, thoughts, and feelings, etc., do in fact belong to us, but we are something else, which is expressed very vividly by Sri Shankaracharya, the master of Vedanta philosophy, in the following bhajan. You'll have to put up with my improvisation of this devotional song. Vedanta, by the way, is the philosophical teaching that continued and completed the knowledge contained in the Vedas, one of humanity's earliest revelations. Its important exponent was Sri Shankaracharya, also known as Adi Shankaracharya, in the 8th century. The bhajan. Oh, it's actually in Sanskrit, so I don't have to interpret the rhythm. Or, well, yeah, I still have to do that, don't I? Shivoham, 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 Vahi Atma Sachidananda Maihu, Amara Atma Sachitananda Maihu, अखिला विश्व का जो परमात्मा है, सभी प्राणियों का वही आत्मा है, अमर आत्मा है, मरनशील काया, सभी प्राणियों के जो भीतर समाया, जिसे शास्त्र कहते नाग्नि जलावे, भुजावे न पानी न मृत्यु मिटावे, है तारो सितारों में आलोक जिसका, है चंदा व सूरज में आभासा जिसका, जो व्यापक कान में है, ऐसा जिसका नहीं तीनों कालों में हो, नशा जिसका अजरा और अमरा जिसको वेदों ने गाया, यही ज्ञान अर्जुन को हरि ने सुनाया। शिवोहम 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 शिवोहम, वही आत्मा सचित आनंद में हूँ, हमारा आत्मा सचित आनंद में हूँ। Thank you, Tatvamasi. As I was singing that, I was realizing I recognize some Hindi words in this. Of course, there was Sanskrit, but I was thinking, is this Braj? Is this the language of Braj? But it makes sense that it's Hindi. Now you have to put up with my improvisation of the English translation. I am Shiva, the liberated Atma, the divine and the supreme. I am the Atma, Satchitananda and immortal. The Atma is the supreme self of the entire universe. It is the Atma of all living beings, and this Atma am I. The Atma is immortal, only the body is mortal. The Atma is in all living beings, and this Atma am I. It cannot be destroyed by weapons, nor burnt by fire, nor drowned by water. Death has no power over it. It shines in the light of every planet and every star. It exists in the moon and the sun and gives them their splendor. The Atma exists in every atom. It never dies, in past, present, or future. The Atma is indestructible, unborn, and immortal. It is that which was sung about in the Vedas and taught to Arjuna by Krishna. I am this Atma, eternal, free, infinite, and divine. I am Shiva, truth, light, consciousness, and bliss. Thank you for putting up with that. And fun fact, it was on the basis of this quality that the first laser built in the United States of America was named Shiva's Eye. The Ajna Chakra is also described as the third eye. This is a symbol of wisdom and an attribute of Lord Shiva. When Shiva opens his third eye in the center of his forehead, everything that his gaze falls upon is burnt. Oh, that was where the fun fact was supposed to come in, about the first laser being named after Shiva's eye. Everything bad is destroyed and the clouds of ignorance are dispersed, helping the light of wisdom and clarity to break through. The laser beam of knowledge sent out by the third eye cuts through the karmic chains and liberates us from everything that holds us fast and impedes our spiritual development. In this way, all the chakras are finally purified by the wisdom of the Ajna Chakra. When we enter a dark room for the first time, we grope around on the wall with our hand to find the light switch. But when we already know where the light switch is, it is no longer necessary to search. One flick, the light goes on and we see everything clearly. And in the same way, as soon as we recognize the eye of wisdom in the Ajna Chakra opens, we recognize the essence of truth. Right? As soon as the eye of wisdom in the Ajna Chakra opens, we recognize the essence of truth. And in India, it is the custom to paint a colored dot on the forehead between the eyebrows. This symbolizes the third eye with its aspects of light, wisdom, consciousness, and upwardly striving development. Usually ladies have a red dot known as a bindu. For specific ceremonial occasions or as a sign of welcome, men also receive a dot on the forehead that is applied with the thumb and is slightly elongated. This is called a tilaka. Lord Shiva's devotees use yellow, the color of the sun, for this. Those who worship God in nirguna form, that is, without qualities, symbolize this with a white dot. So, thank you for exploring that with me. We'll pause our reading of the hidden power in humans there for now. So, thank you for listening. We'll continue our exploration of the Ajna Chakra soon. For now, namaste.